guys, it's Victoria here, and today we are making big soft chocolate chip cookies. This is such a quick and easy recipe, and on top the cookies will be gone in no time. Everyone will love it. The secret behind this recipe is that half of the amount of butter I'm browning for such a rich flavor, which you will love. So the first step, what we have to do is to divide your butter into 2 equal parts. One part we are going to brown. Alright, set your pan over medium-high heat, add your butter and let it simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes until you see a nice golden brown color. Pop it to the fridge for 10 minutes and let it chill down completely before we can move to the next step. That is exactly what it should look like. Now combine both butters in a large mixing bowl. We have to beat them up until fluffy and creamy. I am using for it a hand mixer, but you can totally do it in a stand mixer. I would not recommend you doing it by hand, it is taking way too much time. And when you're done, it should have such a creamy consistency. This is what we are looking for. I am using a combination of brown and white sugar. Brown sugar is giving us caramel taste and beautiful rich brown color. Alright, our butter is fluffy and creamy, we are ready to add our eggs. I am using 2 whole eggs, one at a time. And the next one goes in. It's easier to add the eggs separately and then just mix them up until they are well combined. Next, the dry ingredients. Add your flour, baking soda and salt. And do not skip on salt, it is giving such a good contrast to the sweetness. Now that we have all our ingredients in, just simply combine your dough until you have a smooth and creamy consistency. That's exactly what we are looking for. Oh, I forgot vanilla extract. So don't forget vanilla extract like I just did. But don't worry, you can still add it, it will not make any change. And finally we can add our semi-sweet chocolate chips. With your spatula, gently fold your chocolate chips into the butter until they are just well combined. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and start shaping your cookies. I am using a measuring cup, but use whatever you have in your home. Just make sure that they are somewhat even. This recipe makes about 24 cookies. Each cookie is 2 tablespoons in size. I am making sure that they have enough space to bake, so I'm just baking 9 at a time. Finish off your cookies by adding some extra chocolate chips. This makes for a lovely presentation and even more chocolatey. Alright, they are ready. Look at the beautiful cookies. I can't wait to try them. Now let's have a look inside. Wow, they are so soft and chocolatey, and even though they are fully baked, they are like cookie dough inside. Let them cool before transferring to a wire rack. They are super soft and we don't want to break them. Let's see how they turned out. I can't wait anymore. They are crispy on the outside, soft inside, and the chocolate is melting in your mouth. Wow! Now the difference between using brown butter and normal one is just lifting the cookie to another level. Cookie! They are the best when they are slightly warm, so before eating you can always pop them to the oven. Cookie! Now I really have to have a talk with my cookies, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for new upcoming videos. That was it. I really hope to see you in the next one.